If you dread on-site visits but need robust IT maintenance, then TSplus Remote Support is your game changer. For businesses in IT support, traditional maintenance methods can be a logistical nightmare, disrupting operations and inflating costs. TSplus Remote Support offers a secure, cost-effective, efficient alternative. Whether attended or unattended, our solution simplifies remote maintenance, slashing downtime and maintaining seamless IT environments for both internal teams and external clients. Enjoy user-friendly operations without setup hassles and multi-platform compatibility. Why choose TSplus? Our end-to-end encryption ensures data privacy, while multi-feature support, like screen sharing and chat, enhances your capabilities. And with global relay servers, expect optimal performance. Download the free trial today at tsplus.net.